This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michelle Clarke. Just perfect in Trillium West. This Biscayne floor plan offers 3 beds and 2 baths with a 2-car garage. The home is proud to be one of Trillium's formal models. Open floor plan, volume ceilings, eat-in kitchen with separate dining room. Paver driveway, sidewalk and back patio. Club Trillium features a private clubhouse with meeting areas, fitness center, kitchen, and large heated pool. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle Clarke at 772-263-0386.